September 6, 2024. This one here, I gotta go hook up a gas stove for a guy. Called me yesterday and go by there and see if I can hook it up for him. He said he got rid of the old one, the old stove, and this one's gonna hook it up. I'm going by there and see if we could do it for the guy. Like a big building, like six apartments. And my old dentist built this building years ago. He was quite the thrifty old coot, you know. He used to buy apartments and build stuff and on the side to make money. He did well. At the end there, the poor dentist, he got the shakes. But he's getting old now, so he was a good guy. He's still around. He still calls me if he gets in a jam. It sucks to get old, that's all I could say. Anyway, I'm gonna go over there and hook up the stove for the guy. Try to get you some shots if I can.
Turn left at the stop sign.
Six and a quarter. 36. 36. 36. Yeah, I'll be fine. Five and 3/4 to the bottom, all the way around. I'm gonna put that here. Put some Smurf drizzle on there and go in there and tighten that one up. Tight. This one's tight. The gasket in there. Little drizzle juice on there. test it before I slide it in. Make sure it's good. The vent, that vent is all right. I have to put a little jism on here. Test port. A little Smurf jism. That's how we're going to test all this stuff. We'll test it all, make sure there's no leaks. I always like to put a little juice on there so nothing binds. It's kind of a weird unit. Should be good. I'll be turning that with an elbow. That should be the same. That should be the same. I'm hanging over the flipping back of it here. Plugged in here. Give this thing a squirt if there's any leaks. Oh, this thing's not an easy one to hook up. Turn this on.
Unknown caller.
I don't see any leaks. I'll give it a good squirt. Should be able to slide it back now. That's all the way back. to raise up. That looks better. Nice and stable.